tide's on the turn, the boat must away. Your sad eyes reveal what your heart cannot say. Every step to the quay is a mile on the way. From the island that can't stop you leaving today, come again, sing the sandpiper's song. Come back to the island where you belong, and the isle that is home wherever you stray. They'll blossom its flowers and welcome today. Well, they'll load up the boat, they'll cast her away, as the waves show their teeth to the rocks in the bay. Turn your back to the hill, turn your face to the sea. Turn away from the island you're leaving today. Come again, sing the sandpiper's song. Come back to the island where you belong, and the isle that is home wherever you stray. It'll blossom its flowers and welcome today. Well, the water is white, the waves turn to grey. The island's behind you, a lifetime away. If you turn to the hill, you might just see the bay. Turn and smile at the island you're leaving today. Come again, sing the sandpiper's song. Come back to the island where you belong, and the isle that is home wherever you stray. It'll blossom its flowers and welcome today. Come again, sing the sandpiper's song. Come back to the island where you belong, and the isle that is home wherever you stay. It'll blossom its flowers and welcome today. It'll blossom its flowers and welcome today. It'll blossom its flowers and